The Culinary Academy is a one-year program offered through the School District of La Crosse. The Academy is unique in that it allows students to explore the culinary operations pathway. It gives them industry-relevant skills. It will give them hands-on lab experience in a setting that is mirrored to what they would see in a food service industry. We'll also have the option for students to get up to 10 transcripted credits and a customer sales certificate that will be offered through Western, and that is an industry recognized credential.
I wanted to learn more of the nitty-gritty, preparing recipes, read them and learning how to make your own recipes and actually turn that into a dish, and just get a more basic understanding of the cooking world. I've gotten better at being more creative with my dishes, and I like the satisfied look when I serve my food and they're like, "This is really good, best dish ever." I find the joy in helping others taste good food.
It gives them the leg up to build industry relevant skills like learning culinary techniques and preparation, learn the different professional equipment, the hierarchy of how a kitchen works, learning how to be a professional, learning customer service skills.
It was a real eye-opener to what the commercial kitchen will look like. I can't wait to go back. I plan on attending culinary school in Milwaukee, get my bachelor's degree, and then I plan on opening up my own restaurant.
But most of all, I think it's the soft skills, how to work together as a team, leadership, time management, how to show up and work hard, building a good work ethic. I think those are all skills that they can use not only in a professional kitchen or in a culinary operations, but in any career they choose and in life in general. So an awesome opportunity for students.